हाय गाइस, इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें और पास में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी क्लिक करना मत भूलें ताकि आपको मिलती रहे मेरी अपडेट्स सबसे पहले।
This is like guy you guys can follow me on other social media. I'll give all the description. I'll give all the link in the description box below.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, Anastasia, namaskar, mola, welcome back once again to my channel, guys. I hope you all guys are doing really great. And if you guys are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Rihanna Diwan. I love to make videos. Welcome to my channel. Assalamu alaikum Nazreen. So in this tutorial I am going to show you this beautiful fresh summery vibes look, and I have used almost affordable and under 200 rupees makeup products for you girls only. Do try this simple makeup at home and share with me on my Instagram and FB. Best will be on my Instagram and FB page both. You can use whatever products you have. So what are you waiting for? Show some creativity, my lovelies, and don't forget to DM on my Instagram and FB. Absolutely love this kind of ethnic look. एंड मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, तो चेक करना मत भूलें. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. एंड प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब बटन को प्रेस करना मत भूलें क्योंकि इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. Yes guys, if you guys really want to know how to achieve that look, then without much further ado, let's get into this video. So first, moisturize your face, and I'm using my current favorite bio aloe vera sunscreen lotion. Next, prime your face, and I am using L'Oreal base Magique, my current favorite. Next, filling my eyebrows using brow defining pencil from Faces. Always use small strokes. Next, using brow powder from my favorite Freedom Pro eyebrow palette. Now I'm priming my eyes using concealer from L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and my shade is natural, and also I am using Scotch tape to get those sharp edges. So as a base, I'm applying some concealer and settle with this MAC M02 eyeshadow instead of losing powder. Next, I'm taking this M18 from MAC, and I'm going to be applying this into the outer corner as well as the crease, and this is going to be my transition color. Repeating previous step to intensify the color and spreading it. Next, I'm using M15 from MAC, and I'm going to be using this to intensify the outer corner. Next, using M09 eyeshadow from MAC, and apply on top of this M15 eyeshadow and blend this as well. Just follow step by step. Blend, blend and blend. Next, take this previous brush and blend this out with the transition color in the outer crease to inner crease. बहुत ही सिंपल आई लुक है, just step by step follow करें. And don't forget, blending is the key. Next, I'm using a flat shader brush, and I'm going to cut the crease just a little using concealer. Next, I'm using this beautiful, colorful, very affordable eyeshadow palette under 200 rupees, and I am going to use this beautiful turquoise color and applying this shade on my eyelid. Look how pigmented. What? Yes! And to smooth everything, I'm using again this beautiful transition color and blend everything well. Next, I'm using a black color to my outer corner just to give a little dimension. This will give an oomph to your look. Next, I'm using this lashes from MAC again, and I am loving these lashes. For foundation, today I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible and Lakme foundation. Mix them, and then I'm applying on my face, and I'm going to blend this out using my trusty YBP sponge. It will be oxidized, so don't worry about the color. Next, time to conceal your face, and I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and my shade is Natural, and I'm going to use this to my under eyes, my bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, forehead, and blend everything well again. It's time to lock your concealer, and I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Anastasia Beverly Hill, and this is a contour palette, and I'm going to use the banana shade and then powder your conceal area. Next, I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use this for the first time, and this is from Nykaa foundation stick, and oh my god, I'm using this for the first time and I'm absolutely loving this. This is so creamy, so pigment, easily blendable, highly recommended. And my shade is 07. Next, I'm applying contour powder, and I'm again using this Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm picking up this beautiful shade. This one is little bit orangish brown shade, and I am going to contour my forehead, my jawline, my nose, blend everything well. Next, time to blush your cheeks, and I'm using my all-time favorite shade from MAC, and the shade name is Mocha, and then just apply onto your cheeks. Look how beautiful. Next, use loose powder under your eye to avoid any fallouts. Now I am smoking my lower lash line using M09 pack eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking M15 pack eyeshadow to smoke out closer to my waterline using this pencil brush. And don't forget to apply some mascara. Next, dust off the excess powder from your face. Next, my favorite part, highlighting your face, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, and I'm highlighting my brow bones using this highlighter only, and applying to the high points of my cheeks, my nose. It's time to apply some lipstick, and I'm using this beautiful color retails for only 100 rupees. Yes, and look how pigmented. Wow. Lastly, using pack setting spray that keeps makeup looking just applied all day and night. Yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys really like this video. If yes, then don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to click on that like button, and don't forget to click on that red subscribe button. Please do subscribe guys, because subscription is absolutely free for you, but it means a lot to me guys, so please don't forget to subscribe. And what else guys, Eid Mubarak to you all, Ramadan Mubarak to you all, and until we meet, much love.